Hello Nya friendships, we are at Villa Rata Private Resort in Angat Norsagaray, Bulacan. At Dale Summer Day at Super Hot na kami. Let me show you guys our favorite summer getaway.
Hi guys, nandito na kami sa Villa Rita Phase 3. Ayan.
Yo, what's up, parents? How are you, parents?
Boy, what's up?
What's up?
Hello. Hello. I have vlog
Yes.
Hi, everybody.
So, how's the water? Yay.
The water is so steady if you go inside. Say hi, everybody. Ay, may TV nito. May TV po.
Saan?
Yung height na po, ganito lang po yung height. Oh, ganito.
Guys.
Ganito lang po.
Oh, kasi pang ano, for family ano lang to eh. Ayan.
Ay, dahil ang kanto.
Ayan.
Masayali po ang kanto sa ibabaw.
Tapos, mayroong dirty kitchen. Ayan, dirty kitchen. May CR. There's the CR.
Are you a cute kid here? No, I think I made swim.
Hindi, tingin ako ni... Nakakano na, babalik ako. Ano, meron naman ako. Tingin ako pawis.
Ano, mapabilis ka na lang.
Ano, meron ako.
I think I died.
Baby!
Don't swim.
Oo.
Matapis ka na lang.
Good morning guys. Ayan, kahapon po nag-check-in kami dito sa Villa Rita Phase 3 at 6 p.m. So, today is our last day. At ayan, makikita po ninyo ang view ng aming pinag-estayan. Nasa balcony po ako ngayon. At yung natatanaw po ninyo ay ang phase 3, phase 1 and 2. Yan pang phase 1. We've been there twice na po. At dyan sa phase 2 naman po, we've been there once. And now, eto sinubukan po namin ang phase 3 naman. Napakaganda po dito guys. So, tara na.
to my heart. Now I'm falling fast and my world's expanding. Feels like love, even though